everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the Soft Flex, the Great Bead Extravaganza Midwinter Market Kit. And let's go ahead and get started and see what's inside. Items in this kit, we have white quartz beading wire by Softflex, some findings, seed beads. Oh, I can't wait to open those. I love seed beads. We have some charms, some seed bead bindings, ceramic round beads, a crystal AB bead mix, and a check glass snowflake cabochon. And then the snowflake cabochon and the bead mix will be available for the Great Bead Extravaganza on Softflex Company after January 11th. And then there's some exclusive items only available in this kit, and those would be ceramic ice skates, ceramic snowmen, and ceramic winter snow star beads. Let's see what they have. I love these kits. They're always jacked with so much wonderful goodies and unique goodies as well. If you ever wanted to kind of dive into sea beads and you weren't quite sure, this kit would be great. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, those little ice skates. Oh, and snowmen. How cute. Items we get in the kit, we get soft flex wire in white quartz, 22 gauge craft wire in silver, beautiful ceramic beads. These have been in a lot of kits. They're super fun to work with. Seed beads, my favorite. I can't wait. We have some needles by John Bead. And then this is the Crystal AB mix. Very icy, perfect, icicles. Beautiful. And then we have our little, beading thread here. We have our silver 2x2s. And then all these findings in here. This is our little pack of findings. We have them in silver, some ear wires, and a lobster claw. And we have these cute little mittens. Those are adorable. Then these are some of our exclusive items. We have these adorable ceramic ice skates. Cute are those. Then these ones are really cute. These are the ceramic winter snow star beads. This is that beautiful cabochon. It's just going to look beautiful with those seed beads to bezel around it. And then just that little pop in there. Maybe make a necklace or a little bracelet. That's really cute. And then with your Crystal AB mix. So you really get a lot in this kit. It's super fun. It's going to be so fun to work with the little cabochon. And if you didn't want to use seed beads, you could probably use the craft wire to bezel around it. This is the mix of the Crystal AB bead mix. I love these with the AB, the Aurora Borealis. They're like a twist cut. How beautiful are those? Oh, there's a cute little heart. Oh, that would be cute. Was there another one? Oh, looks like there's just one. But that would be really cute if we had two to hang the mittens off of. There's these ones. These are just so pretty. And you might get an assortment in this bead mix of different shapes, and you might have maybe 5 of one bead and 7 of the other. I have to order a couple mixes of these. They're so pretty. And then like the little pear shape. I really love the AB coating on them. Super pretty. Just goes so well with that little snowflake. So pretty. So that is the Softflex Snowy Day Kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for further content, tutorials, and unboxings. Have a wonderful day.